Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Finally, I have finished the walls and built my MFT table from China. As you can remember from my previous videos, I will put links in the description. I have bought from Taobao MFT style table for just about $200 with shipping. The brand is Wnew, who made this MFT table. It's really high quality, very thick aluminum materials, everything. As well, there are a lot of accessories for this MFT table. I will show some of them in next videos, but for this one I would like to show the whole MFT table, and the most important maybe part for me, why I have bought it, this system. This system is very similar to Festool one, other brands also made for tracksaw guide rail, so you can make easy and fast and repeatable cart, especially for MDF, melamine, OSB, plywood and other things. I will detail show how it works, how precise it, how easily to adjust it, and many other things concerning to this. First of all, I would like just show the one cut made by this one and go around the table and show everything in detail. So here I have this adjusting part by which I can put the length starting from the end of the guide rail, how thick I want to have the material here, and as well you have these two knobs to adjust the thickness of the blade, and maybe you put this a little bit far and nearer to this part where you have ruler. This is metric one. The kit comes with longer one. I will show you here. As you can see here, extra part in order to go up to 85 millimeter, and this adjusting part goes till this part. As well, it has a little bit extra here in order to you can precisely adjust it to the zero, but this is very long for my table and for my needs, so I bought this shorter one, 60 centimeters, so it starts from 0 and ends with 60. Because of that, my 0 is 6 centimeters, so I always need to add extra 6 centimeters to have a real length of the part which I will cut. As well, it can go maximum to 48 centimeters. I would like two more, but right now it's quite enough for me. If it will not work for bigger parts, I always can take out this just couple of screws and put longer one and work with that one. As well, if you do not want to every time add extra 6 centimeters or whatever you will get, you can always buy sticky ruler, cut it to the 0 from to here, stick it, and you will have starting from the 0. So it is not something complicated. So just have a one cut and see how it works. Then I will show in detail all parts of this guide rail. So let's put, for example, here I need 2 centimeter part, so I will put on 8. Frankly speaking, I just did a couple days ago. I don't remember it's precise or not, so just let me to check. If I need any adjustment, then go for cutting. How can I do it? Just put the guide rail here. It's perpendicular to this part. I will show very easy way to adjust it, because if you have not a lot of space like me and you will take out guide rail and use MFT table for other works and again put it back, so all the time the adjusting it 90 to here is not easy work. So I very simple way will show how do that and how adjust this. Okay, if it touch to the end of this rubber part, it's like this. So I will tighten it to not move. It's yes, just 0.5 millimeter. As well, you can do it with track saw, because if I need to add extra about 2 millimeters of the thickness of my saw blade. It's 1.8 millimeter. If you do not want to that, just put your track saw on track like this, close down like here I showed you. So I will put on 6 centimeters because I want to round one number in order to easily add extra 6. And losing these two, this is brass and this is very similar but very hard plastic, look like a metal, very strong, very sturdy materials, and Wnew made a lot of things with these materials. I'm very happy with it. So it goes up to the blade, it touches the tooth of the blade, then you need just tighten this too, and as you can see here I have 6 centimeters. So it just adjusted. Let's try. If you will not have exact size as you wish, always you have opportunity to do some adjustment. It's very easy. Just cut one piece like me will do right now. Check whatever it's 2 centimeters or not. If not, for example, it less than 2 centimeters. So for example, 1.9, you can always adjust it a little bit, 1 millimeter one side, on other side. It's very easy to adjust. So let's try and see what we get. Just a couple seconds. I'm very sorry. Hard copy. That's it. I have this part, very simple. Let's measure it. I will put on the ruler exact 2 centimeters and let's see if I get or not. As you can see, perfectly 2 centimeters. Here I feel maybe 0.5 millimeters, and I think maybe this part a little bit twisted, but to this end it's exactly 2 centimeters. As you can see, it's flush here. But again, flush to here. Exactly 2 centimeters as I put it here. So it's very simple to adjust. Always repeatable cuts with this, and you do not need to put mark every time the thickness and so on. For you to know, this is right hand size for this part. They have also left hand if you want to left size. So you can buy it and have on both sides if you have very long table. As well, the cost of this is not expensive. It's about $15 in China and you should calculate the shipping fee plus to that, and you can get this kit with this one and longer 85 centimeters part of this. And this part also comes with it, so it for the price it's very nice, the quality very thick and straight aluminum. Just let me take my camera and show in detail the table and so on. Okay, the table part here, first part here, which I would like to show you. The mechanism. This is the one part of the mechanism. As you can see here, all parts here very well made, and bearings here, bearings always here inside, and it's rotating very smoothly and sturdy. You can see it can go in this position and stay in that position, not go to loose. If you lose these two bolts, you can adjust the height of the fence. I don't measure because I'm not cutting so thick materials as well my track, so cannot cut, but I think about 15-17 centimeters thick parts you can cut, but with track so it is impossible, so I do not check how maximum is height. Just want to mention you, this part is not regular one as in Festool, it is a little bit thicker. So with Festool one you cannot fit to this MFT table. You should buy the extra part and some adapter to put Festool system like this to this table, but everything possible because they have a lot of many things. As well, they have this kit with like a Festool track here and other track saws, or they're made their own universal guide rail. You can buy them with this one, all the type they have. So, and the table, as I mentioned, shows in my other videos, I changed the regular adjusting feet with these wheels with stops. It's very convenient for me. Just take out the stop, you can freely move the whole table, very easy and very comfortable. As well, it is a table you can unscrew this one bolt and the legs goes down inside, and you can fold it for carrying to workplace. You can put the here or here table, or totally to under the table it goes for all four legs, and you can fold it and go your workspace wherever you want to work. It is not it is really heavy table. The table without this MDF part and other part, just a solo table, is about 25 kilograms to take into account. Extra wheels, at least 30-32 kilograms. It is not lightweight. So here, this part you can see you have this handle. It can, losing these two bolts, you can go here, there, wherever it is easy for your hand to control, like this. Just a moment. Like this, you can control. It's very smooth. And last but not least, how easily adjust this to this part 90 degree. If you have very straight 90 degree, cut it, MDF, plywood, everything, just double check with ruler like this. I can see that this is flush to here, and you put here to the beginning of the of the track saw, just a moment, like this. Check that it's flush to this fence and tightly fit to here, like this. Like this, and measure this distance with ruler. There should be the same long side, but much more easier. Just draw with pencil and very good precise ruler a line and adjust this fence, this rubber part with this that pencil line. It's very easy. Just losing these two bolts and a little bit right or left and adjusting to the pencil line on the template. I made a very simple template. It is a little bit, as you can see, it's short. It's much nicer to have longer and wider part. Do not twist, and it should go up to the end to be 100%, and for longer part you will have straight cut and just have a pencil line on it. Put just a couple of minutes, that's it. Another thing you can see compared with other similar systems, this part not go loose. It tighten to the system, this part also, and it works with this handle just like this. Put up, put a detail, 2 centimeters, make a cut, take out, make a cut. You do not need all the time like others. Take up, maybe you will not fit exactly in the place, maybe it will be loose a couple of millimeters and your cut will not be straight, and you are taking up this part. It's not for me especially convenient. It's your choice, but it is very sturdy, all fastened, and nothing will go loose. Just like this. Take out, and that's it. So that's it for my MFT table with this track saw guide rail system for precise and accurate cut. Don't forget to say the system is not expensive compared with others. They have very unreasonable prices, $300, $500, $600 each extra part of it, $50, $100. No, for the whole system with these two parts and everything, I paid about, just a moment, I will calculate, about $50, just $50 and extra $10 for shipping to my country. So for $60, $70, I will put a link in the description for the table, for the system, for the fence and everything. You will have fully functional MFT table with this system, very precise, very easy to adjust, and even it comes with instruction. At first glance, instruction very clear. It is on both English and Chinese. Here you can see instruction how assembly the table, then this part as well. I have bought extra accessories and show in other videos. Instruction very simple, precise, but you should do it one time and will spend a little bit time, but for next time you will assemble the table and the system for just 30 minutes. The whole system you can assemble when you found out a little bit tricks and tips for it. I have other videos how I assemble table and give some hints to how to do it easily. That's it. As well, it shows that this fence can work with a miter saw, and you can buy for it. And it's very sturdy, no deflection here like this. You cannot move it back and forth. These two big knobs tied it very, very, very sturdy. So a little bit long video, but I would like to show the whole system and the whole MFT table. It's very functional, very quality work, and for the price it's 5-star. If you have questions to show something or explain, feel free to ask in the comments. So that's it. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.